Have you ever wondered what blockchain is? It's a term you've probably heard more and more of late, buzzing around like a bee on a hot summer day. It's often associated with cryptocurrencies, most notably Bitcoin. And while it's true that blockchain is the underlying technology that powers Bitcoin, it's much more than just an engine for cryptocurrencies. Think of it as a revolutionary technology, like the internet in the 90s or smartphones in the early 2000s. It has the potential to transform a wide range of industries, from finance to supply chain management, healthcare to music rights, and even voting systems. It's a game changer, a disruptor, and it's here to stay. You might be thinking, wow, that sounds impressive, but what exactly is it? Well, that's the million-dollar question. So are you ready to unravel the mystery of blockchain? Buckle up. So, what exactly is this blockchain everyone seems to be talking about? Well, the term blockchain is pretty self-explanatory. It is, quite literally, a chain of blocks. But don't picture a toddler's building set. Here, block refers to digital information, and chain refers to the public database where this information is stored. But what makes it so special? The answer lies in its unique structure. Blockchain is a decentralized, distributed ledger that records the origin of digital assets. This means that instead of having a central authority like a bank or government controlling the information, it's spread out across many different computers or nodes. This decentralization makes it extremely secure and nearly impossible to tamper with. It's like a digital fortress guarding your precious data. Moreover, anyone can see the transactions that are happening, but no one can mess with them. In simpler terms, it's like a public ledger where everyone can see the transactions, but no one can mess with them. Now, let's dive into the mechanics of how blockchain works. Imagine blockchain as a digital ledger where each page is a block. Every time a transaction happens, it's like writing a new line on our ledger's page. This transaction data forms one part of our block. Now, let's say our page is full and we need to add a new one. This is where we create a new block and add it to our chain, hence the name blockchain. But how do we ensure these blocks are in the right order? That's where the second part of our block, the hash, comes in. Think of a hash as a unique fingerprint for each block. It's a complex code generated from the contents of the block. If anything in the block changes, the hash changes too. It's like if you smudge or alter a fingerprint, it's not the same fingerprint anymore. The third part of a block is the hash of the previous block, sort of like a backward link. This creates a chain of blocks, each one validating the one before it. This backward link makes it extremely difficult to alter a block. If you try to meddle with a block, its hash will change. This will make the next block in the chain invalid because it no longer contains the correct hash of the previous block. So, in order to successfully alter a block, you'd have to alter every single block that comes after it, recalculating all their hashes. Given the immense computational power required, this is nearly impossible. This is the reason why blockchain is so secure and why it's gaining popularity in areas where security and transparency are paramount. All this happens without needing a central authority or third-party verification. The network of computers, also known as nodes, that make up the blockchain, verify the transactions themselves. They follow a consensus protocol, meaning they agree on which blocks are valid and which are not. So thanks to this complex process, we can trust the blockchain without needing any third-party verification. Now that we know how blockchain works, let's explore where all this can be used. You see, the beauty of blockchain is that its applications are not limited to cryptocurrencies alone. It extends far beyond that, revolutionizing numerous fields. Take finance, for instance. Blockchain can enable quicker transactions, eliminating the need for a middleman. Imagine sending money internationally without having to go through a bank. Or consider supply chain management. With blockchain, every step of the product's journey can be recorded and verified, enhancing transparency and trust. In healthcare, patient records could be securely stored and shared, maintaining privacy and improving care. Even our voting systems could benefit. Blockchain could ensure that each vote is unique, securely stored, and tamper-proof, fostering a truly democratic process. Imagine a world where you can send money internationally without a bank or vote without fear of rigging. That's the power of blockchain. So, did it all make sense? Let's do a quick recap. We've taken a deep dive into the world of blockchain, a technology that is as intriguing as it is revolutionary. It's a kind of digital ledger where transactions are recorded and confirmed anonymously. It's secure, transparent, and tamper-proof thanks to cryptography. We've also unraveled the intricate workings of blockchain. Each block in this chain contains data, and when a new block is added, it's practically impossible to alter the previous ones. This ensures the integrity and reliability of the chain. And let's not forget the myriad applications of blockchain. From banking and finance to healthcare, voting, and beyond, the possibilities are truly endless. It's not just about cryptocurrencies, it's about transforming industries. So next time someone talks about blockchain, you can confidently say, yes, I know what that is. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning.